In this tutorial, we will be looking at a few ways that project facilitators use to allow participants to collaborate with each other in iron projects. The first tool is discussion posts. This is usually how you'll introduce yourself to the other participants and communicate with them during the project. To post a comment, type out your message in the box shown. To format your message, you can use any of the options above the text box, like bold, underline, bullet points, or font size. You can also add attachments to your message, like files, links, and even audio and video recordings. Once you have posted your comment, it should display on the board below. Other participants can like and reply to your comment, and you can do so to theirs as well. You also have the option to edit or delete any past comments that you've made. The other way that facilitators allow you to participate is through a media album. Here, you can post pictures, videos, and audio of the work that you've done as part of the project. You can add things to the album by clicking the Add Media button in the top right corner. After you've selected the files you would like to add, click the Add Media button in the pop-up window. Your media should then be displayed in the album.